Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
This one is just a game of power. So when we say game of power, maybe we couldn't understand what does it mean. Pero sa psychology kasi, kaya nga napaka-importante na after ng breakup, meron kang alam na kahit konting-konting background lang ng psychology, specifically sa relationship malawak ang branch ng psychology So, may mga pagkakataon na maganda rin may alam ka regarding sa basic psychology ng relationship, especially after breakup. And the thing is, you can do a lot of things actually. Kung magsisipag ka lang after ng breakup, kung medyo magkakaroon ka lang ng konting pagiging nerd or pagiging masipag, mag-research, umunawa, mag-aral, baka magkaroon ka ng advantage. So, one thing for sure na gusto nating mangyari is mabaliktad mo yung sitwasyon. At least man lang, yung ex mo naman ngayon yung gumawa ng paraan. At least man lang, yung ex mo naman ngayon yung maghabol, di ba? At least man lang, ganun sana yung mangyari. Pero, you are very, very frustrated kasi nalalamig na yung ex-partner mo sa'yo and literally, wala kang magawa. Para kang nanonood, pinapanood mo siya kung paano siya lumayo. At habang pinapanood mo siya kung paano siya lumayo, pinapanood mo, yung puso mo naman nagsisisigaw, nagrereklamo, naghahanap ng hustisya. Nagmamahal ka pa rin. Gusto mo siyang bumalik, mahalin ka, yakapin kang muli at iparamdam sa'yo na ikaw lang ang gusto niya. Pero wala kang magawa. Kasi literal siya nagwa-walk away in your face, di ba? Walk out siya, pre. Walk out siya, mare. Parang ganun. So, what you could do is just to twist the situation. And dahil hindi ka naman maalam talaga sa basic psychology ng relationship, ginawa mo yung intuition mo. Tinry mo siyang habulin, tinry mong mag-beg, tinry mong i-fix, tinry mong gumawa ng mga paraan. However, those things are not working equivalently sa effort na binibigay mo. And now you are wondering what to do. Napadbad ka sa channel na to and you are thinking about paano ko babaligtarin ang sitwasyon. I will give you tips kung paano mo mababaligtad ang sitwasyon. Sa early stage ng breakup, magandang bago ka gumawa ng move or magandang bago ka gumawa ng susunod na hakbang is it's better na mag-research at mag-study ka muna. Philippine Dating Coach is a really, really good tool para sa kaalaman at para sa advantage mo regarding dyan sa breakup. So, the first thing that you can do is do the no contact rule. That's the basic strategy that we have. And it's been almost 5 years na itong channel na to, or 5 years lampas na itong channel na to, but 5 years na rin ginagamit yung no contact. So, it's really, really effective. It is working kasi at least dito, nagmumukha kang decenteng tao kaysa dun sa old school strategy mo na naghahabol. Yun yung pinaka-basic. No contact rule. Huwag mong kausapin, huwag mong i-chat, at huwag kang magre-reply sa mga chat niya. Simplify it sa ganitong paraan na talagang mawawala ka sa radar niya. Para kahit pa paano ma-miss ka, kahit pa paano maalala ka. Kasi kapag kasi kinukulit mo, ginugulo mo, yung pride niya, finifeed mo lang. Para mong dinidiligan na halaman, di ba? Everyday nagiging healthy. Try mong wag diligan yung halaman, mamamatay siya. Same thing din sa pagre-reach out. Wag mong i-reach out ex mo, huwag mong kausapin. Di mamamatay din yung ego niya, mamamatay din yung pride niya. Yun yung una na dapat mong gawin. The first main thing is just to do simple no contact rule. Commit ka at kung kulang ka sa information paano gawin ang no contact rule ng tama, research ka pa more. Research pa more. Dami ko pang videos dyan. Pwede mong i-spam watching yung mga videos ko so you will learn a lot, right? So that's the first thing that you could do. And the second main thing that you can do na pinakamahirap na advice ko of all time, eto pinakamahirap na gawin. mag-relax. Ano ba naman yung coach? Bibigyan mo ako ng advice na mag-relax. Kaya nga ako pumunta sa YouTube para ibalik ex ko eh. Bakit yung advice mo mag-relax? Parang, alam mo yun, napaka-ironic pero yun talaga yung advice. Just relax. Do not put too much pressure na, masyado mataas na pressure na parang gusto mong humabol. Mataas na pressure na napapraning ka, di ka makapaghintay, kailan siya mag-chat. Alam mo yun, ang gulo-gulo, tapos kung ano-ano iniisip mo, ang dami mo what if yung multiverse ni Doctor Strange nag-e-exist sa loob ng brain mo. Diba? Parang ang dami mong what if ganito, what if ganun, meron ka ng 100 what ifs. Paano pag naging boyfriend, naging girlfriend niya? Just relax. And when you start relaxing, everything will be fine. You don't need to worry. Kung gusto mong bumaliktad ang sitwasyon, dalawa lang yung key. No contact rule, then relax. Kain ka ng ice cream. Kain ka ng spaghetti. Kain ka ng pizza. Kain ka ng samji. Labas ka. Enjoy. Do your life. Hang out with your friends. Right? Labas. Mag-enjoy ka. And that's, have a life. And then, wag mong problemahin ng ex mo. Kung saan lang siyang babalik, that's the magic of it. That's the power of what I'm teaching to you. You don't need to become enthusiastic or hardworking to get your ex back. Bagkus ito pa nga yung opposite eh. The more you become lazy to get your ex back, the more effective it is. Why don't you try? Or just if in case that you want a clarification, give us a message for one-on-one coaching. Baka yun ang kailangan mo. Thanks for watching.